Now you are welcome back to another lesson. This is lesson 5. In this lesson, I'm going to take you through how to create from a template. So we have created from a scratch a blank template, but now we are going to create from a pre-made template. So let's go to the three lines and then go to site. So you are going to create a new site. So click on create new. So you see that our site is already here, my portfolio website. So let's create a new website here and then give it a name. Let's say my training sites. Okay, then we go to themes. So let's select the first one, theme here. See that when I select this theme, see that the templates here are just two. But we want to get more templates. So let's calculate the mobile as 5. So that there are so many templates here, so powerful templates here. So the kind of website that you want to, maybe you want to create a e-commerce website or a site where you can sell something. You can select the shop. A portfolio website, you can select this one. Company website, you can select this one. If it's an agency, you can select this one. If you want it to be in a gallery website, you can select this one. So we are dealing with portfolio, so we select this particular portfolio website. So let's click on that. Then we click on OK. So you can see that our website is now created. Just simple like that. So everything is now intact. So this up to you now is to go through block by block, change the kind of text that you don't want, the picture that you don't want, then you then publish your site. So you can see that we have the blog there's the site name here. So you can just come to this section, just click on it as we did in our lessons. Just click on it and then you just change it. Say my site, something like this. Okay, something like this. So maybe that's the name. You can just do that one and then still go here, and if you just still want to add logo, then just enable it and then change your logo. Now with the menus too, you can just come to the section and then change everything that you want to change. So the about me is here, the pricing, and so many other things here. Good. So with this one too, it is a single page, so you see that there's only one page here. So everything that you click here, it will have a link to the same page or section of this page. So all you need to do is just come to where the text you don't want, where the image you don't want, you just click there and you edit it and you're good to go. So that is just a simple way of creating from a template. Okay, so now our next session here is we are going to learn how to publish our site. And now you want to make it live that people can just watch from a different machine or different computer or different phone. Okay, but don't forget, we can also change the view to phone view. So you can click on this one and see how it is done on the phone. So you can just use that one to edit it and then you're good to go. Good. Now we are going to publish it live. So when you want to create a website, there are two things that you need to get. The first one, you need to get a domain name, and the second one, you need to get a hosting account or hosting platform. Now these platforms are not free. Getting a domain name is not free. Getting a hosting account or a hosting platform is also not free. You need to pay. But there are some other options that you can use. You can get a domain name for free. That is a shared domain name for free. And then get a free hosting account also, so they can use as you are a beginner in the website business. You can just start with that one. Actually, that's what I use for now, because I'm not. I just want to use this to teach people, so that when you get the knowledge, you know how to design a website, then you can go to that mall and then purchase a domain name and then a hosting account. Okay, so with Mobilize 2, it also has that free version, that free hosting and free domain feature. So now let me teach you how to publish the website. Okay, so let's go to this particular icon here, the publish. Just click on it, and then you have so many ways of publishing, but I just don't want to use this one. I just want to show you this one, the Mobilize session. So you can see that we have an icon, a name here, a random name here, and then the subdomain name. So you can just come here and then type the name that you want to use for your website. So let's say my portfolio. So my portfolio.mobilisesite.com. So that is how your domain name will be. And then click on publish. I need to connect to the internet, so give me some few minutes to connect to the internet so that we can then do that, because we are going live, so we need to get an internet connection. Okay, so welcome back. So now let's publish it. Now we have internet connection. Okay, so it says that domain is not available, so let's change the domain name and then use train portfolio.com. Okay, and let's see if it is also that's available. Okay, so it is available. So now our website will be trainportfolio.mobilisesite.com. So we wait for it to complete the publishing, and then when you go to our browser and you type trainportfolio.mobilisesite.com, we are going to get our website live on the internet. So that is just simple. So after designing your website, you shouldn't sit there, just publish it. If you don't have money to buy a domain name or a hosting account, just use this and then you're good to go. So let's wait for it to complete the publishing and then we continue from there. So our website is now ready. So it says, congratulations, your site is published and live online. So now this is our website, trainportfolio.mobilisesite.com. So you can just click on the view website and then review it on our browser. You can also edit your site online. So if you want to edit your site online, you can use this link to edit it online. And then you can also connect your own domain. So maybe you have, if you bought your own domain, you want to connect it to here, to this session, you can just enter the domain name and then click on it here. So we want to view the website. So let's view it online. So you can see it's now loading here. So check the address bar. You're going to see that the name is now changed. So now your website is now live. It's not live. But there's something. Now that is something I want to talk of. You can see that this site was made with Mobilize AI website builder. This is a banner. This is a banner that it will always show on your website. So if you are a professional and this kind of banner shows on your website, if maybe somebody give you a contract, design website for you, and this thing is showing on your website, you see that it's not nice. But let's try to remove it and see something. Remove this banner. If you try to remove this banner, let's wait for what happened. Now it will ask you to pay. See that, as I said, hosting and domain name is not free. So $49 a year. $49 a year is not easy. It's not just a small money. So I have another site, another platform whereby you can host your website, but basically it is not a Mobilize website. That is the website that I use. So if you check my browser, my website, jorut.kisag.com, That is the website, that's the platform, the hosting platform. They gave me a free domain and a free hosting with a free SSL certificate. Yes, that site is so powerful. And that is our next training. So in our next training, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using WordPress. And that kind of website, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio, sorry, not a portfolio rather, but a learning management system software, a learning management system website, just like the one I've created, like Udemy, like Coursera and others used. You can post your course content on that website and then sell it to make money. That's the website we are going to develop on our next training. So I'll end this lesson here, or this training here. We'll meet in the next training. Thank you for your time and hope to see you. Bye for now.